All right, everyone, here is the finished look of Timothée Chalamet's haircut in Dune, which is an amazing original movie. You should definitely check it out if you haven't seen the original Dune. But his hair looked great. I got a lot of requests for it, and here is the breakdown. So this mannequin, just so you all know, this mannequin, the hair is 100% straight, all right? So if you have straight hair, yes, you can achieve this look. Do you have to have super thick hair? Not necessarily. It does help, but this is, this is pretty much an average amount of hair or a little bit more, and it's the layering, it's the technique, the product, that's what is allowing me to achieve this type of look. What I did when I first started this is I actually wanted to get my length in the sides here first, because to me, that was a focal point that stood out to me. So, if you're a professional watching this, it's okay to start out in a focal point of the haircut that you want to just take on right away. Doesn't mean, oh, you have to start in the back, you have to start in the front. No, start wherever you want to start if it's going to help you achieve the haircut you want. So I started here and here on the other side. I created that angle right here and saying this is where it's starting and this is where it's going to continue down, because that's what stood out to me when watching the trailer, was seeing his hair, and this is the area that stood out to me the most. It's like, oh, he's got his hair into here and this all comes down. So this is angled going shorter to longer. You can see the length throughout the neckline, the nape area, right in through here. Then simply what I did is I created my layers on the top. The top is probably a good, say, 6 or 7 inches long in length, and then I held everything straight out from the head and just pulled it straight out and cut it, right? Everything is a 90-degree angle straight out from the head, even all the way towards the top. Okay, the top here is the same thing, and throughout the corners and the sides, obviously, are a little bit more tapered down and through here. Then what I did is I held everything out horizontally. Now what that does is it helps remove a lot of internal weight, and that's a secret to getting these types of kind of this movement and what looks like waves. It's because I removed a lot of internal weight in through here, doing it the right way without disrupting the shape too much, and that's what's allowing me to get that texture. So if you're going to your stylist or going to your barber, I would first of all suggest going to a stylist, not a barber, for this haircut, sorry to say. And the stylist you go to, please make sure that they're good with men's hair or these types of haircuts. You can be male or female and get this haircut. It's a great haircut, but just make sure whoever's cutting your hair really understands shaping and layering. And then what I finally did was held everything straight out in the middle, balanced out the layers so it's a perfect transition. I used my #1 selling product for this, which I always recommend, Tidal Wave. Tidal Wave is really the ultimate sea salt spray to help you get just the right amount of texture, just the right amount of hold. Spray it in, you can let it air dry, or what you can do is this blow dryer is sold now on my website. For those of you who have purchased it, thank you so much. There's about, I think now we're up to 15 left. I'm already working on an upgrade for this, but the great thing about this dryer, I know it looks familiar, you may have seen it before, it's not what you're thinking, it's similar, but a lot more affordable. The cool thing about this is that it comes with the diffuser. It also comes with a nozzle, which I have over there, a regular blow drying nozzle, which is great. You could also twist this like this for traveling, which is awesome. It's got a few settings on it, and one thing I do like, it's got a kind of like natural temperature, like no extra heat, no extra cool air. It's just a perfect rate of almost like no temperature at a full speed setting, which is awesome. That's what I love about this. So if you don't want to use heat, you can do it right on here with full speed. And I diffused it, right? And the diffuser, it diffuses the air, it diffuses the heat, so it's kind of creating less pressure, and the intensity is a lot less. So as it's drying, it's just a lot softer, and I just went in, and I didn't really use my hands in through here, because when you are blow drying wavy hair or trying to make your hair curly or whatever, the last thing you want to do is start scrunching and messing up the texture. Instead, let the blow dryer do it and let the haircut do it, because it's going to become like a big frizz ball, okay? And then finally what I did is I used Tidal Wave again, just a few spritzes. I always do that to help kind of seal it in. And, also if you are interested in purchasing any of the products, including this, use code YouTube20, that's YouTube20, and if the order value with the discount is over $50, you get free shipping in the United States only. So please let me know if you found this video helpful. Let me know if you watched the original Dune, right? And I'm looking forward to watching this, the new version of Dune, which looks pretty awesome. And let me know if you enjoy this haircut, if you have this haircut, or if you want this haircut. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.